Guys, welcome back.
Hi.
This is Shami, my sister. For all the new viewers, if you're not watching the daily vlogs to know who this is, you need to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. But anyways, jumping straight into the video, today we're going to be doing a sister's wig transformation. No, I know I look rough. These braids are stale. I need fresh braids now. See, they're all pulling out. Look at my hair, by the way. It's not yet 1 year.
You don't want me to take that mine and compare it to yours.
So where y'all going so far? Well, that is not necessary though. I was, you know what, I'm gonna push up back my ear. Never mind. So we're gonna be doing a sister's wig transformation video. It should be quick. I'm always wearing wigs, as you guys know, right? For protective styling, and I genuinely just love changing up my look frequently. Now, Shami here, on the other hand,
when I do it, I prefer the simpler wigs because it's easier to style, and for me, a buffon, it makes it easier.
Tell them what buffon mean.
I can't really fix wigs.
Right.
So if someone isn't there, I prefer to have a wig that is very easy to fix on my own.
Right. So we both are gonna just choose, well, put on, you know, wigs that I believe are easy to apply. She's not even gonna be using any glue or adhesive in her case.
Alright, so I really like the water wave Brazilian virgin hair because, as I said before, it's very simple to style. And when I had just started school, it was the wig that I had on for the first week, and
oh, it was it?
Yeah, I couldn't wake up soon in the mornings to fix it. So it was rather easy to fix. I didn't have to glue it down. I just brush it in the mornings and I was good to go, and wet it up back and I was good to go.
So my wig that I'm going to be applying is the Tight Curly 360 Lace Frontal Wig Indian Remy here. So Shami's own is Brazilian Virgin and my own is Remy here. I'm not lying, them Remy quality from what they yesterday been coming out with some Remy wigs and RPG hair, of course. I don't even remember if I mentioned that, but yeah, the wigs definitely are from RPGhair.com. But the quality been bomb. Like even the most recent wig that I've been wearing a lot from last week, it's a Remy textured hair. The point of this video is to really show you guys that you can really transform without having to, you know, do too much.
Hold on my head and slip it on.
Alright. So I'm gonna put my own on at the same time. What is that oops whoop sound? Too big head.
My head is not big though.
The hair is big. Move from us, girl. Guys, I literally just had surgery on my ears yesterday. If you want to know the details on that, you can check out my daily vlogs. I'll link that specific vlog down below in this video. So before I pull this back to the edges, I'm just going to literally kind of gel the edges.
I finished putting it on my head now, so I'm just going to use a little of the Eco Gel to fix up the edges.
Guys, I've never really done a video like this before. I thought it would be so much fun too, you know? Because even in one of my most recent vlogs, Shami was saying how, you know, she can't really do the wigs. It's funny that I'm talking to you guys like this, but I just letting her do her thing, and then, you know, but she was saying that she can't slay the wigs or apply them the way I do or whatever. But yeah, this wig is literally so convenient for her, and it's very close to her natural hair texture.
I'm just going to use these two things here and make the parting a bit more visible.
What a powder? Face powder?
Yeah.
So I'm going to use the same Eco Styler gel. Because she always use my gel, like always.
What do I have a sister for?
What you on the ear?
And I am basically done.
Alright, so guys, you're like used to me applying my wigs. I'm going to stick the combs that come in the wig into my braids. Then I'll secure the mid portion here with my got to be freezing spray. If you guys notice, we both chose curly wigs because they're like the most convenient textures. So I just take this and I could use a blow dryer like what I've been doing from the other day to speed up the process. If you like the poofy hair look, you could definitely leave it like this. But for me, I'm going to spritz this with water. I like when it has the wet, juicy look. So if you notice, I just applied a little bit of got to be freeze spray. So now I'm going to I have this bottle of alright, let me do one section at a time. And I get this brush that I got from RPGhair some time ago, and I just go through it. I just kind of brush through it. I just tuck one side behind my ear. That's basically it, guys. That's basically it for our quick sister wig transformation. I really just wanted to show you guys the convenience of RPGhair wigs. Like, honestly, it can be for somebody that, you know, has knowledge of how to apply a wig, as well as
somebody who really doesn't have that much expertise in the area.
Yeah, but it's really just convenient because, as you guys can see, I didn't do much. I really didn't like apply adhesive right around the edges. This time around, I just applied a bit here, and Shami did not apply any at all. So I'll put the links to both of these wigs down below. I know some of you guys going to be like, but you guys wearing the same texture. It's just, as I said, it's our favorites, and you know, we just went for what we prefer. And I hope you guys can appreciate that. And if you're interested in them, we'll link them down below. Well, I'll link them down below in my description box. So you guys can go ahead and get them if you're interested, either this one or this one. I don't know, it's up to you. Also, when you go ahead and order, your girl has it back. You can get discount off any order, you know, using my codes SUE15 or PETITE-10 right now. RPGhair, they have a sale going on, so I'll put all the information on that down below, so you don't want to miss out on that sale here. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe, and stay tuned. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel. Subscribe to my vlog channel for my daily vlogs. You know, uploading vlogs over there every single day, so I try my best at least. So yeah, so just go and stay tuned and big up on yourself. Bye.